Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make your user profile on Discord appear offline. For example, if you don't want to receive any messages from your contacts and friends and appear offline in their friend or contact list. Let us guide you through this and show you how you can make this happen. So what you want to do is access discord.com, log into your account or use the desktop application, log into your Discord account, and in the bottom left corner, guys, you will see your username, and below your username you will see your current status, which is online, also indicated by that green dot here in your user profile picture. So if you'd like to change that, simply click into your username, and here, guys, set your status and change it from online to one of these: idle, do not disturb, or invisible, which will basically make your profile appear offline. You may, for example, select the duration here, like for 15 minutes, 1 hour, an entire day, or forever. And there you go. As you can see now, my status has changed to offline, and there's that gray dot indicating that in my profile picture. So that's how you appear offline on Discord. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.